Alright guys, today Brandon is at my house and we are going to finally change my ukulele strings. I've been wanting to do this for like a year when he gave me the new strings. We don't really know how to do it, but Brandon probably does because he changes guitar strings. I'm going to show you how it sounds first without changing them. It sounds pretty good, but it could be better. Alright, here we go. This is an electric boy. This is one of my most prized possessions.
It's modeled after a Les Paul Jr.
Time to change the strings. She has to have this pillow right here by her head.
What I like to do when I change strings is clean it because you can see here on the headstock that there's a bunch of dust underneath it.
Yeah, hold on.
And there's dust here underneath the strings, the bridge. But it's hard to do because obviously there's strings blocking it. So it's best to do it when you're changing it because then that's all clear. When you're changing acoustic, you don't want to take them all off at once because then it's too much of a pressure difference at once. You take 2 off at a time. But you can see that they're all attached here on the bridge by sliding into this little slot, and they have a knot on the bottom so that keeps them there. You want to loosen it to the point where you can get this to come out. That sounds so good.
Why was that funny? Got him.
Okay. Alright, so now you can see they're still connected to the string winder. I mean the
bebops?
Forgot what it's called. So you just unwrap it. And now you've got a string. And then you unwrap the other one. And then boom.
This is cute. Oh.
We need to get some wire cutters.
Oh, okay. I'd be like, oh no. Brandon's tying his own knot in the string because it doesn't come with it tied, and I don't know why.
So I tied the knot and I shoved it in this little slot right there. And then, so what you want to do now is obviously you'll see that the string is way too long because it's going in this one right here, this knot right there. So you want to follow it up to where the next tuner is. And then you cut it there, so you have enough of the bad boy. So you slide it through a little bit so that you've got like ½ an inch, I guess. And then you try to turn it around or bend it just as much as you can. Okay, so you want to put it in the nut right there. And then I'm going to try and hold that there. Start winding it
then
up.
you start tightening it.
So, in order to get a good spiral, instead of it overlapping on the knob, you want to hold it down right there so that it's always going lower. So we're going to do the same thing here. We're just going to cut it up here. You slide it in and then tug on it to make sure that it won't come out. Like that. So, and then you align this straight up, make sure the hole is straight so that you can just
I'm getting a good glimpse of your veins.
When you put it through, you want to push the other side. You want to... Okay, there we go. You want it to be bent the direction toward the tuner. Because if you do it that way, then you're going to tune it the other direction so that when you want to actually tune it to the note, then you have to go the opposite direction.
Okay guys, so all of the strings are replaced. Let me get that. They're all brand spanking new. Oh yeah. Hi, baby. Ew. We've had to retune it several times. Well, Brandon has, because it just like keeps getting out of tune when it's like first restrung. Yeah, there. Oh, that sounds really good.
Yeah, I think they sound fuller.
Fuller?
Like more rounded of a sound.
More rounded of a sound. It just sounds like it's like clearer. Dude, that's a handsome... Wait, 3 measures of C. F, G, A minor. We're gonna hit the quan at the same time. Are you so ready for this? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Thanks for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like the strum, if you like the strings.
Smash like if you're an epic gamer.
Bye!